Next topic, determine the language. Right, finite automata is given. Now determine the language. So first write down the am. Am is equals to first number of states. Number of states q1, q2, right? Then input alphabet are the 0, 1, delta, initial state q1, final state is equals to q2. Now prepare the transition table. In the transition table, q summation input alphabet 0 and 1, right? q1 state, q2 state. q1 is initial state, q2 is your final state. Final state is represented by star. q0 0 symbol, q1 state. q1 1 symbol, go to the q2 state. Again q2 0 symbol, go to the q1 state. Again q2 1 symbol, self loop q2, right? Transition table is prepared. Now we can prepare the language of the strings. The strings is defined, right? q2 is your final state, so q1 0 and 1, we can stop at the q2 0 and 1. Next time we can consider 1 0 1 1 0 1. Next time consider 1 1 1. Next time consider 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1. Next time consider 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Next time consider 1, only we can consider 1, q1 to q2 state, dash dash dash, right? In every string, the string is ending with 1 1 1 1 1, because in the diagram you can check q1 to q2, right? q1 to q2, at the stop 1 is present. Again q2 self loop 1 1 1 means ending with 1. So language L is equals to, in the bracket, W means string. String contain number of strings ending with 1. Okay, it is your language. Second example we consider. Suppose second example is q1, right? It is your final state as well as initial state. Then again self loop 0. Next q2 state, into q2 state q0 to q1 1 symbol, q2 to q1 0 symbol. Again self loop is 1. Again write the m value. M is equals to, in the bracket, number of state 2, q1 q2, number of input alphabet 0 and 1. Next delta for the transaction, initial state q1, final state also q1, right? Again we can design the strings. L is equals to, here initial and final state both are same, so first symbol is equals to epsilon. Next we can consider only 0, because we can start from q1 and stop at q1, so we can consider 0, otherwise 0 0, otherwise 0 0 0. Next time we can travel from q1 to q2 1 0, right? Next time 1 1 1 1 0, dash dash dash. Again every time ending with 0. Here we can consider null string. Null string also ending with 0. Single 0, multiple times 0 0. Every time string is ending with 0. So language L is equals to, we can consider string oblique string contain number of strings ending with 0. Okay, it is complete. Now consider next example. Example number 3. Right here we can write down Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 states, and input symbols are 0 and 1. So M is equals to, in the bracket, number of state Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Input alphabets are 0 and 1. Next, delta is a transition. Q0 is the initial state and Q3 is your final state. Right, here we design the language. Language is equals to, first we can stop at the Q3 state. I read only 0 symbol. Q0 to Q1 0, Q1 to Q2 0, Q2 to Q3 0, means initially string is equals to 0 0 0. We can use 0, otherwise 1 string. Next time I can read only 1 symbol, then 1 1 1 1 1 1, stop. Next we can use the 2 0 and 1 symbol, right? Q0 to Q1 0, Q1 to Q2 0, Q2 to Q3 is equals to 1 0 0 1. Next time I can use 1 0 1 1 0 1. Next 1 1 0. Next 0 1 0 dash dash dash. Every time string length is equals to 3. So language L is equals to W, then W accept only binary strings of length 3. Right, here every time string length is equals to 3, it is your language. We can design first finite automata we can calculate mathematical model, then we can decide the input alphabet. From input alphabet we design the string. First string we can determine the language.